Hello बच्चों, let's read this question. Consider three equal circles of radius r1 within a circle of radius r2, each to touch other two. That means that these are the three circles, each are touching the other two circles. And the given circle, on the other end, they're touching the outer circle as well. These are the two statements given. Statement 1 is r1 by r2 is equal to root 3 by root 3 plus 1, where r1 is the radius of the smaller circle or the blue one, and r2 is the radius of the larger circle or the red one. And statement 2 is that incenter of the triangle formed by joining the centers of the three equal circles, this is the blue circle in the diagram I have drawn, is same as the center of the given circle. This circle is nothing but the red circle. Alright, now as you can see by symmetry, this is the triangle I have drawn, which they're asking about in the statement 2. Now since this is an equilateral triangle with side is equal to r1 plus r1, so side is r2 times r1. So as you can see, this is an equilateral triangle, so it's in center, centroid, orthocenter, all the centers will be aligned at the same centroid point, right? So we can say the perpendicular from one corner to the other side will also be the median, and so on. So as you can see, this is the rough diagram which we have here. Let's draw this small triangle with the right angle over on this end to understand. Rough diagram, and this is some length r. This angle is theta. Now since this is a equilateral triangle, the total angle, that means 2 theta, will be equal to 60 degree, and since this is angle bisector, theta will be equal to 30, right? So we can find r in terms of r1 such that r cos 30 is equal to r1. Now as you can see, the total length from this midpoint till the outer circle is nothing but the radius of the outer circle, r2. This whole thing is r2. So r2, and this is r, and this is r1. So we can now write r2 is equal to r1 plus r, but r is already derived as r1 by cos 30, right? Once we get this, ये आने के बाद हमें क्या करना है, अब इसको सिंप्लीफाई करना है. सो लेट्स टेक r1 कॉमन, r1 और डिवाइड बाई r2 कर लेते हैं. यहाँ पे 1 छोड़ देते हैं अभी के लिए. ये 1 प्लस 1 बाई cos 30 हो जाएगा. cos 30 का वैल्यू हमें पता है, इट इज़ नथिंग बट रूट 3 बाई 2. तो ये हमारा ये r2 है, ठीक है. यहाँ पे हमें r1 बाई r2 है टाइम्स 1 प्लस 2 बाई रूट 3, ठीक है. ये आ गया हमारा 2 बाई रूट 3, since this is 1 by cos 30. Now that means r1 by r2, ये हम बाकी का ये जो पार्ट है इसको हम लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में ले लेंगे एंड रीराइट द इक्वेशन एज 1 by 1 plus 2 by root 3. इसको हम डिनोमिनेटर को कॉमन फैक्टर ले लेंगे, तो इससे क्या आएगा, हमें न्यूमरेटर में रूट 3 और डिनोमिनेटर में 2 प्लस रूट 3. सो r1 by r2 का वैल्यू हमें आ गया रूट 3 by 2 plus root 3. Let's compare this in the statement given. It is given as root 3 by root 3 plus 1, but this is supposed to be 2. तो ये हमारा statement 1 false हो गया. Now let's check the statement 2. In center of the triangle formed by joining the centers of three equal circle is same as the center of the given circle. अब हम इस डायग्राम को ऑब्जर्व करते हैं. यहाँ पे मैं आपके लिए कलर चेंज कर देता हूँ एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए. So as you can see this diagram, the incenter is at this point. यहाँ पे मैंने हाईलाइट किया. तो ये जो इंसेंटर है ये हमारा 3 सर्कल से इक्वी डिस्टेंट है ना, बिकॉज इज ऑल्सो द सेंट्रॉइड और द इंसेंटर. तो ये जो वैल्यू है हमारा, ये यू कैन सी दिस इज ऑलवेज एट एन इक्वल डिस्टेंस r2 फ्रॉम द सर्कल एट ऑल दीज 3 पॉइंट्स पासिंग थ्रू द सेंटर ऑफ द ब्लू वंस. सो एज यू कैन सी सिंस दे आर कॉमन, सो इसका ये भी मतलब होता है कि दिस रेड पॉइंट is not only the incenter of the triangle but it's also the center of the given circle. तो ये statement 2 हमारा true हो गया. तो इसमें हमारा आंसर क्या आएगा, it will be option D, which says statement 1 is false but statement 2 इज ट्रू। ठीक है, ये हमारा आंसर आ गया इस क्वेश्चन का, विच इज़ नथिंग बट ऑप्शन डी। ठीक है बच्चों, आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड। थैंक यू वेरी मच।